Hello friends, once again welcome to Quick Learn for Easy Learn. Today, in the 7th episode of English Grammar, we will discuss about the formation of abstract nouns. You know what's an abstract noun? An abstract noun is the name of a quality, action or state. Here, I have given you some common nouns and we have to construct the abstract nouns from these common nouns. Let us see how to make the abstract nouns from these common nouns. The first word is brother. Abstract noun for brother is brotherhood. Now second word honor. Honor, ownership. Ownership is the abstract noun for honor. Agent. Next word agent. Abstract noun of agent is agency. Agency. Next word is hero. Heroism is the abstract noun of hero. Heroism. Rogue. We may not be knowing the meaning of rogue. Rogue is rascal, scoundrel. Rogue. What is the abstract noun of rogue? Roguery. Roguery. Next one, infant. Infancy. So, abstract noun for infant is infancy. INFANCY. Author. Authorhood. Authorhood. Coward. The abstract noun for coward is cowardice. Next word is beggar. Beggary. You must be knowing friendship. The abstract noun for friend, friendship. Captain. Next word is captain. Abstract noun for captain is captaincy. Captaincy. What is abstract noun for patriot? Patriotism. Bankrupt. Abstract noun is bankruptcy. Kingdom. Thief. Next common noun is thief. Abstract noun is theft. Theft is the abstract noun. Man. Abstract noun is manhood. Priesthood. Pirate. Piracy. Then rascal. Rascalry. What is abstract noun for pilgrim? Pilgrimage. Then bondage. Glutton. What's the meaning of glutton? The person who eats a lot. Glutton. What is abstract noun for glutton? Gluttony. Gluttony is the abstract noun for glutton. Okay. These are some common nouns and their abstract nouns I have given it. So you see, I already explained that an abstract noun is the name of a quality, state or action, but the names of science and arts, chemistry, physics, biology, mathematics, etc., these nouns are also considered abstract nouns. This is extra note for you. The names of arts and sciences are also abstract nouns. For example, mathematics, history, civics, science, chemistry, physics, etc., are all abstract nouns. That's all for today. Tomorrow I will give you a list of abstract nouns formed from adjectives, and then abstract nouns formed from verbs also. Okay, that's all for today. Goodbye. If you like it, please like, share and subscribe it. Thank you very much.